A very good morning, student. I'm Aditi Chaudhary. Here I'm working as an assistant professor, faculty of pharmaceutical department at Rama University. Here today we will discuss about the topic is cancer, and in this topic we are going to study its firstly what is the cancer exactly, and the type of tumor. Different type of tumor is available in this disease in our body, and the second is we will talk about the type of cancer, and third is diagnosis and what will be the treatment for the cancers. So firstly we will talk about what it exactly cancer is. We all know that ki in our body it's a cell division process available, right? So cell division in our body, it's a control in manner, right? Divide and control in manner. So when the cell lost the control ability to their cells, so they divide uncontrolled formation in our body. This is called a cancer cell. Here you can see a definition. The cancer is disorder which developed when the cells in our body and grow the control and creating the mass of cell in our body. This is called the cancer. Okay, now we will talk about the basically two type of cancer in our available in our body. First is we will talk about the benign tumor, and second is we will talk about the malignant tumor. So in this they divide in two types, like a benign and malignant. In the case of benign tumor, they do not spread and grow much in size and remain calm at one place. So in this case, benign tumor, they do not spread to other part, and on the other hand we are talking about a malignant tumor. They just spread in our body, like here you can see they spread and invade in our body tissue, and here they aggressive in nature. Malignant tumor, they aggressive in nature and help the tumor cells and growing the continuously dividing in our body, and then they take the nutrition from the surrounding healthy tissues, and after that the healthy tissues died. Okay, so they take the opportunity and growing the continuously fast in our body. So this is the malignant tumor. It's very harmful and compared to benign tumor. Okay, now we will talk about the type of cancer. In in this topic we will talk about the three major type of cancer. First we will talk about carcinomas, carcinoma cancer, sarcoma and the leukemia. So in this case carcinoma cancer, here you can see the carcinoma cells are developed in epithelial cell. What is the epithelial cell? Epithelial cell, it's your upper layer of skin. Okay, so this carcinoma developed in epithelial cell and cause affect the skin tissue lining of organ for in carcinoma. In case here you can see the example, okay, like is a prostate and breast cancer, lungs cancer, colon cancer, different type of cancers is on this carcinoma. Okay, now we will talk about the sarcoma cancer. Here you can see sarcoma cancer are developed in connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue, and it will affect the bone cell, cartilage, muscles and soft tissue also. So here we can take the example is like a bone cancer in our body. In this case we will they will affect. Okay, Now we will talk about the third type is leukemia and lymphomas. What is leukemia and lymphomas? They affect the blood cells. Like here you can see developed in blood cells, mean they leukemia, they affect the red blood cells, and lymphomas affect the white blood cells, white blood cells. Okay, there is the minor difference between, but they both are affect the blood cells. Okay, and so now we will complete our type of cancer. Now we will discuss about the what is the diagnosis process for the cancer. Here you can see different type of diagnosis available for easily examine where the cancerous cell available in our body. So here you can see the some different type of diagnosis technique available is like imagining technique, like X-ray. With the help of X-ray we can identify cancer where is available in our body, and with the help of CT scan we can also identify. Computer tomography is the full form. Okay. Now third one is also here you can see magnetic resonance blood cells. Okay, and also you can go for the biopsy. So firstly we need to understand what is the biopsy. Biopsy we can when the person caused by the cancer, so we can take the small piece cut a small sample of tissue and the tumor precise the remove from the patient body and determine the what is the nature of cancer. By the help of biopsy we can identify that. Okay, so different type of, you already talking about we are talking about the diagnosis. Now we will come to a last topic is the treatment of cancer. In this topic we discuss about the type of tumor and the type of tumor, type of cancer, and diagnosis, and last one is treatment of cancer. In this disease we can identify the cancer in our body, and technique is available, the surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy. So what is the surgery? We can easily remove the tumor from the body by the help of surgery. Okay, and now we will come to second one is chemotherapy. What is the chemotherapy? We can in this case we can take the different type of drugs and various type of drugs we can use in this process, and control the cancerous cell. Okay, by the help of chemotherapy. Last but not least, it's a radiotherapy is also available. By the radiotherapy we can focus on the destroying and the tumorous cell. Different radiation will we can focusing on the destroying the tumor cells. Okay, so in this video we are completing definition firstly, and type of tumor and type of cancer, diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Thank you for watching my video.